This year for Mother's Day, set the scene for a bundle of really great gift ideas. I'm Erik Witcraft AIFD, floral contributor for Florist Review magazine, and today I'm going to share with you these amazing products from Melrose International, including these whimsical gnomes, some of these faux everlasting botanicals that I really love, and how to pull it all together in a spectacular setting. So let's get started. I'll show you how I created this wonderful display. To begin this whimsical cluster of designs and elements, I took a couple of pieces of Sahara foam and anchored them into the bottom of this wonderful wood crate with the handles. You can anchor it right into the wooden box with pan melt glue, making sure it's really good and secure to the surface. Or in this case, I've just simply glued it into a tray that I'm setting into the box so that I don't ruin the surface of the container. From there, I've added some moss all the way around the base of the Sahara foam to conceal some of the mechanics. I also set the gnome into place kind of under the tray to help secure him. The foot of the gnome actually rests underneath the tray, and by weight it actually secures it into place. I've taken a little bit of this dried vine and wound it around the top of the foam to add some of the rustic touches. When you're using faux everlasting botanicals, it's nice to incorporate some real natural materials to help elevate the overall design and give it a very lifelike quality. From there, I've added in some different types of foliage. I put in some of the eucalyptus, the seeded faux eucalyptus from Melrose. I've also inserted some of the bonsai eucalyptus and this wonderful lacy fern. Each of the elements that I've incorporated, I've bent and manipulated to kind of mimic that lifelike quality that you would see in your garden. The goal here is to have all of these whimsical elements really remind Mom of how special she is and how wonderful it is to be in the garden. I've used some of the English daisies as well as these beautiful dahlias and some bright orangey colored crabapples that I've inserted into the foam and secured them with a little bit of glue. Also, these red anemones kind of pull the whole look together in a very fun and natural way. If your customers can't take Mom to the garden, then you should allow them to take the garden to Mom. Showcase a beautiful display like this of some fantastic products from Melrose and inspire them to buy 1, 2, maybe even 3 pieces to take home. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope to see you guys again soon. Take care. Bye.